Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Turtle Wax has a new product that combines a multi-purpose cleaner with a disinfectant, Byotrol Technology. I could see how this would be a popular product in today's world, today's environment with what's going on. But as a shop owner, I need to test it in ways that it affects me here. So it also needs to be powerful and effective as a cleaner. Does it do that? We're going to find that out today, so let's get right into the video. Turtle Wax Multi-Purpose Cleaner and Disinfectant. 24-hour surface cleaner and sanitizer. So it's an APC and a disinfectant. 23 ounces, $5, $6, $7, somewhere in that range is where you'll find it. The spray removes dirt, stains, and odors. It's non-staining, so it will not harm, discolor, or stain plastic trim on automobiles. There's no bleach or alcohol, and it has a citrus scent. And as you can see from the masks, everywhere, stuffed in each corner, we are in a season and environment of viruses. So, very important product to keep around if you're an owner, enthusiast, or even a business owner. Okay, let's get to the different ways to use the product. For general purpose, all the high traffic areas that people come in contact with, I will douse them and let them dwell and soak as I work the other areas. So I hit the door handle and the window buttons and the handle to close the door, and I'll let that soak as I clean the surrounding areas. Then I'll come back and I'll dry off those high contact areas. So this basically disinfects and deodorizes, as it has a decent scent to it. It can also be used as a sanitizer, and if you want to spray on a surface and spray it until thoroughly wet, let stand for 10 seconds, it will sanitize. If you want to sanitize for 24 hours, spray on the surface until thoroughly wet again, let stand for 5 minutes. And if you want to sanitize for a long period of time, spray on the surface, douse it, and just let it go. This area here in the dash and in the steering wheel, I'm not going to spray it directly on the surface. The spray and the mist can get everywhere, so I'll spray heavily into a microfiber and then dab the area, high traffic areas when it comes to contact. Go about cleaning surrounding areas and then come back to it, and that's normally anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes, plenty of time to disinfect or sanitize. And then just repeat that exact same process all the way around the car, the dash, the door panels, center console, infotainment center, and the back seat area. Okay, so as a disinfectant, sanitizer, and light-duty cleaner, that's all fine and dandy, but I need to know if it can actually get some work done. When it comes to moderate to maybe even heavy soiling on seats, door panels, plastic textured surfaces. We're going to team the product up with a few different types of interior cleaning tools, and we'll see which one it pairs up nicely to remove moderate dirt. So with a soft detailing brush on delicate surfaces, you're going to see improvement. Maybe a pass or two will be needed. Let's get to an area that is even more heavily soiled, and we'll team it up with the leather scrub brush. And with very little effort, you can see the improvement we've made, and that seems to be the best team and combination for textured leather, vinyl, and plastic. And you can even be successful on carpeting, floor mats, headliners. Okay, now for the real test as far as I'm concerned. And this trailer has been parked in this wooded area for over 15 years. It's cold, but the lengths I'll go for you guys. So let's use a highly alkaline concentrate, the QP on, 4 squirts into that little area, and then 4 squirts from the turtle wax. We're going to let it go for about 3 to 5 minutes or so. And then we'll come back with a microfiber, just lightly run it over the area, see if we could pick up some dirt and show some of the white siding on this trailer. Picked some dirt off onto the microfiber towel, but on the turtle wax side I could see actually some dirt being removed from the aluminum. So let's hit it 3-4 more squirts in the same area. And you can see it actually, the improvement, just by spraying the product onto the surface. We'll let that dwell for another 3 minutes, come back, wipe down, and we can see some of the aluminum trailer now behind all of that growth and dirt. So, outperforms alkaline concentrate. That's good enough for me. Okay, let's get back inside where it's nice and warm. So not only for automotive use, home, shop, garage, hit highly trafficked areas where there's a lot of contact on doorknobs and levers and whatever people come in contact the most. Squirt it on there, wet it down, let it dwell, wipe it off, clean up. And that will bring us to the final thought segment of this video. Hey, first of all, 23 ounces? 23 ounces for under $6. And that's what it was at Walmart, and it didn't last long. It was out of stock quickly. As you saw in the video, not only can it be effective in killing germs, disinfecting, but it also has power to get work done here at the shop to clean. As a multi-purpose cleaner, that's what I needed to do first. The added features of being a disinfectant, that's just a bonus. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. When it comes to a rating for the product on the channel, it's effectiveness, impressive, but if you combine that price for 23 ounces, very, very impressive. Okay, guys, catch you in the next video.